Yep, thank you.
Mr. Welcome to Apple Marina Besides.
Yep,
My
thank
name
you.
is Shady.
Yep.
2-3 months there will be new designs.
Okay.
Just to let you know.
Okay.
Yeah. On the other side, Beats. I believe all about music. I believe you all know about Beats. You know about Apple TV. For us at Apple, we have Apple TV, Apple Music, and also Apple Arcade. Later, Apple Arcade is at the front.
Okay.
For us, Apple TV, there's a 7 days free trial. You don't like it, you don't need to use. Apple Music, 3 months. You don't like it, you need to continue. Apple Arcade, 1 month. Don't like it. So for us, we always want you all to try it first. You like it, Sometimes you have to buy. You do not know. But for us, we let you try. You try, happy, continue. That's what we do at the point. Another fun fact about us also, about our Apple Watch, the straps, us at New York City at 5th Avenue, we show a full display.
Wow.
You go to Jewel, you go to Orchard, you go to Korea, you go to Bangkok, you go to Japan, they don't show a full display, except for us and New York. So that's the good thing about Apple Arcade.
Oh, really? I see.
But the bad thing, when the wife say don't play.
Your wife will scream you apart.
Our boss sir. Be ready to go up. Your video. It's very nice. That's what we always do.
Okay.
Yeah, after you, I'll show you upstairs.
If you guys use the university pricing, you guys don't.
Hey yo, what's up guys, it's me MrGim here and welcome back to my channel. Today I have another exciting unboxing for you guys, which is the brand new Magic Keyboard from Apple. I have never been so excited and heartpain at the same time, and do you know why? It's because this is one of the most expensive keyboard you can ever get in the market, and not only that, it can only be used with an iPad and it fits to the size of the iPad that you actually purchase. So that brings us the next question. Who should buy this keyboard? Well, I'm going to share with you guys probably in the next video. Today is more on first impression and walkthrough experience at the brand new Apple store in Singapore, which is at the Marina Bay Sands. And if you haven't seen my 1 minute clip, I will link that down in the description box below so you can check it out. I must say that the architecture is really impressive, and it is also so amazing that the guy Shabby, who was actually serving me during the walkthrough, explained very well for all the Apple service. Well done to him. Alright, let's get back to the unboxing. What I like about Apple unboxing is that you don't need additional tools to slash their plastic off, and as we know, Apple is well known with their sustainable packaging box, so most of their boxes is made out of recycled material like virgin fiber and also recycled fiber. If anyone interested in this kind of topic, the product detail label, I will link that interesting article down in the description box below so you can check it out. First impression of the box is very minimalist, like what they have always been doing. Let's take the box out for the first time, and the very first thing that we saw is the product itself, and inside there's this documentation hiding in between the case itself. here are some of the documentation they have included. Nice and simple illustration showing how basic the detail of what the product can do. And it comes with also warranty card and also all the legal terms that they have included in all languages. And here you go, the main unit that costs a bomb. Beautiful keyboard design with a trackpad, very nice looking, and it felt very solid. And this side there is this velvet finishing, so the touch is actually very premium. Even down to the hinges, I just love how it looks. Now let me grab my iPad and transform them now. And booms! Now it finally transformed into a laptop. Now my iPad looks like the ultimate working machine, and like what Apple said, your next computer is not a computer. Using it for the first time is very interesting. I like how the tactile feeling is. I love how they have coated with that velvet finishing. It felt really like a laptop right now, but something that lack of, which is the escape key and also the function key. Trackpad felt a little small, but still usable. So yeah, this is my quick unboxing, and I can't wait to share with you guys once I get a hang of it. Alright guys, that's the end of my video. I do hope that you enjoyed this video today, as I have personally go down to experience the brand new Apple Store in Singapore and purchasing the brand new Magic Keyboard for today's unboxing. Also, not to forget by clicking on the subscribe button to be my friend, and I will see you in my next video. Okay, thanks, bye!